Cat 26 here, just tips and tricks and hobbies. I'm going to make a new bucket for this round container. Stay tuned. We'll be in studio with the file, which is a 5-inch square open box, top box. We're going to go down here, see this bamboo studio, we're going to open that up and get rid of that right there. We're going to go to prepare and we're going to look for that file. We've got the profile, X1 carbon, textured plate, 4mm nozzle, standard at 20 mil standard. And we're going to go to plus. We're going to look for that in here for screen. Okay. Should be in here somewhere. Tough to find. This is like the second time I've gone into this, and there it is. Double click on that. Double click on this, and right here is the files. These are the images, the pictures. Click on that, and let's open. It's a pretty big container. And we're going to click on it. We're going to go up to here, and when this is the size to size it. Okay. So we have to convert. Let's see what the numbers here. We're going to use my iPhone here, and we need 5 inches high, 5 inches to millimeters, and that's 127, and that's exactly 127. That's the height of it. Now we got to check the width of it. The width of it is the green part going across right here, and that seems to be 5 inches too. So it's 5 by 5 inch box, which probably we want, and it's 127 by it's 5 inch by 5 inch by 5 inch. So all the way around is 5 inches. So that's great because that's the size we want. So we're going to click off of that and click on here. And this is in a gray color, it looks like. I'm going to go down and right click and see if we can change the color. Well, maybe it is in white. I don't know. Maybe it is in white. See, it's centerized. We can tell it's centerized. We're left clicking now to rotate it with the mouse. And everything checks out here. So let's give it a slice. I'm going to slice it. Went up to slice. Sliced right away. So let's pull it over here. Look at it. Everything looks pretty good on it. So we just made a box for that the round container, and that's going to replace the one I have there now. I'm going to put all the stuff in it. So we're going to go up to File. We got to do this. We're going to save it because we're still working on the printer, putting new parts in the printer, so we can't we can't print it right now. So I'm going to go down to Export Plate Slice File, Command G. We're going to left click, and there's the file name right there, and it's going to go to desktop. Always send it to your desktop so you can find it. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. We're going to hit save, and it's saved. We got it on the desktop as a 3MF file. You can also go in here and save it as a project. So I'm going to save it as a project, and it's going to files, but you know what, we want it to go let's see. Let's put it in downloads. I'm going to put it in downloads so it'll bring it up next time. And so we saved it downloads. So we're all set with this. You just got to print it out, and that's one of the many projects I have pending, that have to be printed out. I did do some work on the printer yesterday. Put some parts in and waiting for parts tomorrow to come in. And we'll be getting going on printing some stuff so you can see some stuff that's printed out that we designed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. And we also do have members now if you'd like to join. Up to you. Bye for now.